TII Technical Education Systems, teaching technology for tomorrow. Okay, in this video, I'd like to show how we control the ramp-up speed for a Powerflex 525 using CCW to add that into the controls. For this video, we're using the TII Technical Education Systems model ACD 525 Powerflex 525 trainer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to parameters in CCW, Connected Components Workbench. And what I always like to do is go to the Show All. These are the non-default parameters. So to see all of the parameters, you have to make sure you're in all parameters. And if you select Show All, it will show you all of the parameters that are already set. So in other videos I show you how to set all of these parameters, including setting up a 3-wire control here, the minimum and maximum frequency, the jog speed, and the acceleration time. So we're going to click off of here so we can see all the parameters that are available to us. We're going to go to Basic Program. Then we're going to scroll down until we get to right here, 41 and 42, acceleration time and deceleration time. And this is going to be set at default of 10. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to make this 20 seconds. All right. Now, the reason I'm making this 20 seconds is because let's say there's a large load on the motor and I want it to start up much slower than usual and ramp up to that set frequency that's in this case being set by the keypad potentiometer. Okay, so I'll turn this all the way so it's at 45, but then let's say I want the deceleration time to be very fast. Okay, so I'm going to set it to 5 seconds. Okay, so now all I need to do is come over to here, select download, select finish. I'm going to go to parameters. Now, when I hit this, you'll see how long this will take to ramp up. And that took 20 seconds to get to 45 hertz. So again, you can see how that relationship works. It took 20 seconds to accelerate it up to a minimum or a maximum of 45 hertz. All right. So now when I hit the stop button, it will take 5 seconds to decelerate to 0. All right. And this is how you set the acceleration time and deceleration time for a Powerflex 525 using Connected Components Workbench. This has been Pat Cleet for TII Technical Education Systems, teaching technology for tomorrow.